Shiba Inu Coin has been moving very interestingly over the last 24 hours. Let's talk about where I think this coin could be headed very soon and some interesting pieces of news that have come out as of late. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu Coin analysis. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock with public, check out our link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, guys, here we are with Shiba Inu Coin. As you can see here, we're still up about 15.14% just on the overall. This is the 1 week chart from where we were previously with the really just low volatility. There was no volatility, basically almost no volume to begin with the coin, here in kind of September 12th, 11th, 14th, and all the way up to about the 15th here. And then the 16th, we saw this spike in price, and of course since then we have been trading higher. Now let's talk about why this happened. Obviously we're going to talk about where I think the coin's going, but overall I just want to highlight the fact that one, this is the latest piece of news pretty much that has caused Shiba Inu to go to the moon, is the fact that it's on Coinbase. It's on Coinbase. Look, if I wanted to do it, I could sign in right now and buy some myself. I have some in my account. Believe it or not, I am holding Shiba Inu right now on my Coinbase account. This is crazy stuff, guys. This is a really big deal. And it's one of the main reasons why Shiba Inu Coin has been running so well, over the past 24 to, even couple days, even 24 hours to a couple days. And now we're actually holding at these levels pretty well. If we go to the 24, we are down about 7%, unfortunately, from previous highs that we saw over the last 24 hours, but we are starting to curl back into those higher price ranges. As you can see here, we'll go into some better technical analysis here on TradingView in the later part of this video, but for now, let's break down obviously what happened and where, of course, this stock or coin, rather not stock, could be headed. Shiba Inu soars over 25% Friday as Dogecoin copycat makes Coinbase debut. Whoa. Coinbase or Dogecoin copycat? Where is this animosity coming from, Market Watch? Why are you trying to, say all these negative things about Shiba Inu? Let's keep this in mind, because that title tells me one thing, that the person who wrote this article more than likely does not like Shiba Inu. Let's read a little bit more though. Meme coin Shiba Inu was seeing its price surge Friday, with the crypto trending high in social media circles less than a day after Coinbase Global launched trading on the Dogecoin copycat. He keeps calling it that on its trading platform. Shiba Inu was trading up more than 25% on Friday, bringing the total market value of the coin to around 3.3 billion, according to data on coinmarketcap.com. Coinbase on Thursday officially announced Shiba. So basically just a recap of what they did. Here's the actual tweet in which they said it's official. As you can see here, there's a little GIF too. We'll play it. Ooh, very cool. Little double-sided coin thing. Nice gift there, Coinbase. Very cool indeed. The China-based cryptocurrency Shiba Inu was modeled as a fun crypto, riffing the success earlier this year of Dogecoin, which has been drawing increasing attention among crypto enthusiasts looking for the next buzzy asset. Dogecoin, for its part, has been garnering more traction as a medium of exchange among its staunchest bankers, but the virtual coin had mostly been cast as a digital asset that offers little utility and is primarily supported by the interest from those on social media channels like Reddit and Discord. Sure, it's mostly supported by those people, and that's the whole point of the coin. It's a community-based coin. This is a retail trading-based coin. This has nothing to do, in my opinion, with large institutions, which is why people love it so much. There's no big, manipulation. The only manipulation that really can happen with Shiba Inu is with whales, right? The whales can either buy or sell more coins, and of course when they move the markets because they hold a majority of the liquidity, right? Which is very important to know. That's really the only big kind of movements that can happen. Now we won't get into too detail in this article because it does kind of get off topic here. It starts talking about ticker Kishu, some other random coins, and just basically, it's the 48th largest crypto in the world now on CoinMarketCap. It's all cool stuff, but overall, guys, this is why the coin ran just a couple of days ago or a day or two ago. And obviously since then, it has been actually holding pretty well at these price levels. We can even check here, and as you can see here, we've been holding at these higher price levels. We'll get into that in the later part of the video, though. Let's go into the Shiba Army subreddit, though. There's a very interesting little piece of news or information, I guess you could say, that I want to highlight here. And that is, so the Coinbase official Twitter account, right? Verified and everything, right? They're following one person. One person. Who are they following? You would think they have a team of developers, they have employees, they have other people they're working with, they have all kinds of subsidiaries, like they have all this stuff, right? Why would they only follow one person on the Twitter? Guess who that one person is? It's Shiba Army. As you can see here, Coinbase are following one person on Twitter, and that is Shiba Army. And what's interesting about that is that Shiba Army is not the official Shiba Inu Coin Twitter. Shiba Army is a community Twitter that basically highlights all the different news going on with Shiba Inu, and it's kind of just a place to rally if you're an investor in Shiba Inu. This is a community Twitter. And for some reason, Coinbase is following them. Very interesting stuff here. A lot of people think that this might be some more big news might be coming because of this, or just the fact that one, they're really betting, I think, on a lot of investors, dumping money into their platform because Shiba Inu is now officially listed, which is just an interesting piece of news. And I thought I wanted to highlight that on this subreddit. We also have some other posts here, like if it hits a penny, let me guess, if it hits a penny, everyone sells or keeps holding. More than likely, what that is going to take years. Okay, I'm not going to sugarcoat it, right? It might take a couple of years for this coin to reach 1 penny. That is, however, unless we see something similar to Dogecoin, where all of a sudden a TikTok trend starts up where everybody just starts piling money into it, because that's what happened with Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin was sub 1 cent. I can't even remember how low it was. And people were like, hey, wouldn't it be funny if we all got this to 1 cent? It happened, right? And everybody said market cap doesn't allow for that to happen. The fundamentals don't allow for that to happen. Well, it happened, okay? And this has been something that we've seen with every other coin, where people argue all of these different points about why it's impossible and how the price doesn't work. But guess what? The buyers at the end of the day, the actual investors in the coin, make it so, right? It always ends up happening. So don't be on the wrong side of things. Don't, diss a coin just because you think market cap dictates whether or not a coin can go up in value. I've never believed that in my life. I've always thought that's kind of a dumb argument in the first place. There's millions of, videos that debunk that anyways on YouTube. Shib is forming a great triangle. If it breaks up the triangle, then we have now a full bull. And that's actually something that I wanted to talk about. Yeah, because we are forming a very interesting, either this is a pennant pattern, maybe a rising wedge, or a bull flag. Either one of them, right? So the problem with technical analysis, it's very hard to tell, obviously, is that it's a little bit self-serving sometimes. Sometimes it's very difficult to tell, like, okay, this coin is, it's moving this way, or, oh, this coin is, we're pushing it a certain way, and now it's making a pattern, and this pattern will cause a breakout, right? That's hard to tell. It's very difficult to tell. But I think this is honestly one of the most textbook examples of either a bull flag or a pennant pattern. You could even say this might be a rising wedge. Again, we have to see, but we're getting down to a very small kind of thing here, where we're consolidating so much that it either needs to break out towards the upside in a bullish manner to basically show me that this coin is not done running yet, or it's going to break out towards the downside from these highs. However, I think that there's so much volume now it's flooded into this coin over the last 24 hours, last couple of days, that I don't think that we're going to see really much lower prices than this. We might start to consolidate at these higher price levels, and this might be the new level of support for the coin. Now, that being said, that's not guaranteed. I'm not saying that's 100% going to happen. So of course, manage your risk, manage your position, and be aware when you're buying this coin. I'm a long-term investor. I buy this coin whenever I feel like it, whether it's high, low, whenever. I like to look at the RSI and find good places for entry points. I go to the 1 year chart, or even a little bit smaller than that, the 6 month chart, just to find good places for entry points. As you can see, the RSI is starting to dip a little bit here. If it gets below the 30 level, which to me confirms it's being oversold, I typically buy around there. But guys, overall, I'm still very bullish on this coin. As far as price predictions go, I really think that this coin could be headed for these higher price levels. We could even go to, what's the next big level that we're gonna hit? The 1.2 to 1.4 level. We could hit that if more good news comes out, more exchange listings continue to happen, and more investors dump into the coin. The big catalyst though that I'm really waiting for is if a trend kicks off on TikTok or on some social media that basically has a bunch of investors or basically trading volume flood into this coin. Because if that happens, we might see some crazy price action, and we could see 1 penny hit very, very soon, guys. But guys, this is not financial advice. Do your own research and due diligence before investing in anything. You guys know that. We say it every video. But other than that, guys, this is pretty much it for Shiba Inu. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock when public, check out our link down in the description below. When you guys sign up with that link, not only do you get to be a part of a great social investing network, but you get to see what we're buying, selling, and all of our current thoughts on the current market situation. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.